Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to try something for the first time. This is the Minotaur Cheesecake. So here's the directions. Now this is not the bag it came in because I already pulled it out of the bag. And I didn't want to try to fight it back in. So here's the cheesecake mix, 2 ounces of milk, graham cracker crumbs, and there's also a cream cheese icing pouch. So we're going to go ahead and put this together and then let it sit. So the directions are: add 2 ounces of water to the milk pack and stir. We'll rip that open. I got this from Tracy Phillips. I don't know if I mentioned that, but there's a little fill line right here, right there. We'll try to fill it up properly. I think that's good. Oh, let's get a spoon. Got one. And stir this up. I love cheesecake, so this will be a nice treat. Yeah. You know what I didn't do? I didn't open this first. Hopefully I don't spill it, because that would be terrible. There we go. Okay, work it down. Get this sucker opened up. There you go. It smells and looks like pudding. Pour that in. And stir. Just stir thoroughly. Trying to get down to the bottom. Then let's stand for 7 to 10 minutes. I guess I'll just do a simple fold over. And there we go. Alright, so it's 12:20, so we'll come back at 12:30. Alrighty, it's actually been about 11 minutes now. Wow, it thickened up really nice. I hope you can see that. Let's add the graham crackers. I love cheesecake. I don't know about you guys, but cheesecake is freaking delicious. I never make it at home because I would just eat too much of it and get fatter, and don't need that. Wow, I just spilled like stuff all down in front of me. So we're gonna go with the cream cheese icing as well. Another thing I love, although it's a little stiff because it's chilly out here. Put that in there. I'm at the park, and it's not raining right now, but people are walking their dogs and they're all staring at me. Like, yeah, I'm talking to a camera. What do you want me to do? Although a mime channel would be kind of funny. Mime all your videos. Wow. The icing is really good. Really good. Alright. So here's what she looks like. Let's do a taste. Alright. Well, the icing kind of clumped on the top. I probably should have tried it and then put the icing in, because the icing on top. That's quite good. Only a little pouch of it, but that'd make a great trail snack. And there's nothing to cook, so you can do it on a warm day. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty tasty. I'm gonna kill this off camera. Well, that was good, except for one little problem. I was just sitting there. I was looking out over, listening to the river, enjoying the nature, and I'm just snacking away, and I hit the very bottom, and I hit powder. So it's like, oh, which is why I prefer to mix wet and then put dry on top, so you don't get clumps of powder and mixed in. But other than that, it was quite good. Actually, I kind of wish I had more of it. I should have a fat guy portion. I could probably eat like 10. I could eat another one of these easy. Wow, 385 calories. Worth it. Yeah, so I'll link Minotaur. They have MREs on there too, and some other things. So if you want to go give them a look, check them out. Also, I'm going to link Tracy Phillips' channel down in the description as well. Excuse me. So two links I suggest you hit. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.